At Citrus Fresh, we provide experienced and professional rug cleaning at our clean, modern, state-of-the-art facility. You have the option of scheduling our pickup and delivery service, or you can drop off at our Long Point Road location in Mount Pleasant. We begin with measuring and cataloging to provide both accurate pricing and a way to track each rug throughout the cleaning process. We then thoroughly inspect the rug for fiber content, construction, dye stability, and any pre-existing concerns. We record this information in a detailed report with photographs for our reference as well as our clients. The vital first step to quality cleaning is dusting. Our dusting machine is specially designed to safely remove embedded dust, sand, and soil from the base of the face fibers. It is not unusual for a woven rug to release large amounts of this dry material, which if not removed can cause long-term damage. The rug is now ready to be fully washed on our clean and graded wash floor. The pre-inspection determines the appropriate techniques and products to be used for effective and safe cleaning. Special attention is paid to the fringe, if soiled or dingy. Again, the condition of the fringe determines the technique of safely brightening. Once the rug has undergone its complete wash, it is time to rinse it. Using clean water and a specially designed squeegee, we remove detergents and remaining soil. We then run the rug through our state-of-the-art centrifuge, which not only provides another level of rinsing, but extracts moisture quickly and thoroughly. While damp, the rug and fringes are groomed, then hung to finish the drying process. Once fully dried, we complete a final inspection. The rug will be rolled, nicely wrapped, and placed in our clean room to await pickup or delivery.
Rub-a-dub-dub.